Hi, in this video, we are going to look at patching. Patching is where programmatically we are able to put a value into a text box. And once we learn how to put it into text box, we'll also learn how to put it into other elements. Okay. So let us first create a text box, associate it with a variable. Once you have associated it with a variable, let's go to properties, change this to city. And now let us scroll down here and write code so that whatever value we want to put into this text box through code, we are able to place it there. This process within the VCA environment is called as patching. So open up the proper set condition window, find patch values, okay, and here we have control X. So here you have this variable, right? Now, when you patch on the right hand side, you will have just the variable name. So after placing this here, please make sure to remove fg dot value and the, in case you're curious, fg stands for form group, okay? And let us say we want to patch Bangalore. Okay, so once you click on save and you preview the form, you will see the word Bangalore here. This Bangalore is coming into this text box through code. Again, using JS code, we can change Bangalore to Chennai. Now, when we preview it, we will be able to see Chennai. And what you will say in terms of VCA terminology is that you have patched Chennai into this text box. Thank you.